Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another sneak peek review, this time from Wuben. Now this is an early sample candidate for us reviewers. We get them early. This is the Wuben E8. Now the release candidate's going to be totally different box and accessories. So let's wait no further and open this up, show you what comes in here. They do provide a tool to be able to do some customizations on the flashlight. One USB Type-C charging cable. Want to make sure, I didn't even get a user manual on this because it's so new. But I do have some information that it does put out up to 1300 lumens on the highest output. Here's the E8. Look at that. Definitely is unique. Now my understanding of these come in different colors for the bodies, including a tie version. And you can put the Tritz glow tubes in there, make it stand out. Nice clip on here, a lot of resistance on that. Everything on here you can remove using the included tool. Pretty nice. Now my understanding, I was looking at their Kickstarter link, and there's other things that are going to be able to hook on here. I think a spinner, as well as a key ring where you can put a lanyard on it or make it a keychain light. Now this has regular LEDs and UV. Let's go ahead and take a look here. And as you can see, this one here is a little bit different. That's the UV light there, or LED reflector. There's pretty rough. And then here you got orange peel textured reflectors on the main LEDs there. Now I don't have any information on that yet. I did get sent a PDF file of some basic information, some pictures and features and stuff, but nothing written down in stone just yet. Too early for this. Super compact, great size for everyday carry. Lightweight. This runs on a 14500 cell, and you can also use 1.5 volt AA cells in this as well. It's going to be less light output. Style and design on this is nice. Power switches here. And the machining and finish is very nice, even underneath the plastic pieces here. If you remove these, the light's going to be thinner here at the barrel, but I like the way this looks. I wish I had the other colors. Green would have been nice, but yellow's good. Even the titanium one looks really sharp. Feels rugged. Compact enough. A lot of things you can do with it. Spinner would be more of like a fidget gadget. Some people like those things. Alright, well now let's go ahead and open this up here. I'll show you the battery that it's included with. There's the tail spring. And you got a protection piece here. I save them. I don't get rid of them. I actually save them, put them in other lights. Here's the battery that it comes with here. 14500, 920 milliamp. This does have the charging port built into it. It'll be red when charging and green when finished. I believe this 7 amp cell. Kind of range a little bit from 7 to 10. Now the straight contact plate there on the head. So now let's go ahead and get this back together and go through the UI. UI is pretty straightforward. Turn it on. Does start off with the UV. That's pretty intense. Got to do it somewhat quickly in between. That's the lowest part of the UI. 2 LEDs. Definitely does look about 5K. Yeah, this definitely is more of a 5K, maybe a little bit cooler, not much though. Nice. Let's take a look here at the beam. It looks pretty much to be flood. It does have a little area here that's centralized, but that disappears the further out you get. You can half press to go through those light levels, or you can full press them. It's a little bit harder to do when you're doing full press. You got to do it right away. Let me grab a bill here and let's check, see if I can see a security line on it. Okay, now I do have a $10 bill, and you can see the line right there. Probably be better to bring it up to the camera, might help. There you can go. See that. See the little holographic looking blotch there on the building. A little one there too as well. Other side, I'm just seeing the gold emblem there. Always nice to be able to have something like this, especially when I sell stuff. Not really sure about a $50 or $100 bill. I carry one of these. I have a small little keychain light as well, but it's always nice to have. Other people use it to search for animals, insects, other stuff, but you've got a lot of usage you can do out of this light, and it's so compact as well. Alright, well, let's wait no further. Let's take this E8 out, see how it does in the wilderness. We're out here in the darkness with the Wuben E8. A little impressed, super impressed actually with this light. I'm gonna turn it on. It's on the UV. So I'm not seeing too much reflective. As you can see here on the fence, there's some areas there. But my shoes light up pretty good, and my pants. So we're on the main LED here. Lowest setting is doing pretty good. Especially at this light output is pretty good. This is running the Luminus SST. Forgot the LEDs, but finally got the updated paperwork for it. There's the beam on the fence, kind of give you an idea. So this has got a pretty good range at this light output. Let's go up to the next level here. There we go. Impressive little light output, especially for this small of a light. And it is making 138 feet there. Water spout, 38 feet. Now, I do have a link below my videos showing my testing area out here in case you have any questions or doubts. Check it out. There's the beam on the fence, give you an idea. Let's go to the next level here. What a nice jump. You can run a regular AA battery, 1.5 volt, making 138 feet there even better. Nice large hot spot. Good foreground illumination. Spill area here is nice. Doing really good on this. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. UV is very intense on here. Gotta take my hats off to Wuben. That is a nice performing UV. A lot of people use them for hunting. Use them more than I would, but a lot of people want them on their lights as well. The LEDs here did really well. More of a flood beam. It's going to show a large area at once. It's what you want for a little EDC like this anyways. I do have some little dedicated throwers from another company, and if you want one of those you can get those too, but floodlights are my second favorite beam type besides combination beam being my first. But here, very simple and easy to operate this. Got a lot of options that are going to be included with this that are going to come out later with the official release, but I am super excited to have gotten my hands on this one. And impressive. A lot of lumens can come out of here. Remember, 1300 lumens is going to cycle down. Also, it's going to wear down that battery pretty quickly. And with the 1300 lumens, you definitely want to use it on the lower light outputs to be able to conserve the battery. Otherwise, have one on hand, throw it in there, use a regular 1.5 volt AA battery, you can do so as well, and really just keep going with your runtime or charge it on the go. Neat little idea with this, I've got to admit. Alright, well, I want to thank Wuben for sending me this E8 to review. Now, this is a new model coming out. Not everything is official here. If this is something you are looking to check up more information on, I will leave a link below to their Kickstarter as well as a link to purchase it at a later point, just in case you are interested in getting something like this. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these all new, brand new lights from Wuben to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.